Go to eventandjudge.com, log in. Once logged in, scroll down, find last year's event, click on it. You can scroll down and find the car manually, or you can find on the page Dodge, and there's the one we want. You can click on it, scroll down, click add item. You can change the name at this point, the profile image, the club they're associated with. Click save for this box if you change anything. You can update the owner information, click save for the owner information. Then you can add them to class or classes and click save for this information. And then once everything's done, click the paid button and you can update the total. Click the paid button, click the save button, and it'll take you back to the event page. Go to eventandjudge.com, log in. Once logged in, click the search button. Search for Dodge. And click events and clubs. Scroll through, find the Dodge you want, click on it. Once here, click add. You can change the item details, the item title, the picture, the club. Click save for that information. The owner information you can change or update. Click save for that information. You put them in a class by checking a box or two. You can update the total, make sure everything looks correct. Click save and they'll be in the show.